Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the Stabilitrak system, guys, on GMC Sierra, that generation here, 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, and if you need to buy replacement parts to use at a good price, quick shipping, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The Stabilitrak fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation GMC Sierra here. By the way guys, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they even exist. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money guys. We need to open the hood. When you open the hood here on the driver's side, if we zoom in, you see that's your brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, that fuse box specifically is out of 2018 model. 2014 through 17 will have minor differences, so make sure to stay until the end. What we first need to check is fuse number 3 right here. Then we need to guys find one more fuse, two more fuses, fuse number 19 right here and fuse number 25 right next to it. Now if you guys have a 2014 through 2017, will be fuse number 3, 19, 25, exactly the same. There will be other differences here, but for this specific, for the Stabilitrak fuses and relays will be the same. What about the relay? The relay practically is the ABS module is the one that does the relay function. So you only have these fuses that you will need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.